Should I be taking vitamins during my eating window? Here's the problem. I'm such in a habit of every morning I would take my vitamins.
Mhm.
And these are whole vitamins that do not make me nauseous, so I'm happy to take them. Then I tried moving it to eating it in my eating window, and then I would stop taking them because I never remembered. If I don't do it first thing in the morning, I'm not going to remember taking my vitamins. What is your opinion of taking whole food vitamins that's not in my eating window?
Well, see, so many of the vitamins that you take, if you take them just by themselves, they're going to just pass right through you. A lot of these vitamins need to be taken with food to be better absorbed. You've all heard, pardon my language, but these vitamins give you expensive pee, right? You have a much better chance of actually absorbing the vitamins if you take them with food. So if your goal is to have the nutrients be used in your body, it's better to take them with food. So you gotta maybe set yourself an alarm on your phone or something, remind yourself to take them, because if you're not absorbing them, there's no point. You might as well forget.